Here I have OPPO A77s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the settings, Then you should go to the sound and vibration section, and then to Do Not Disturb. So here you can enable this mode. Here you can set up a schedule for it if you want to, like you can select its name, you can select its start time, end time, and also on which days it will repeat. You can also add people to exceptions. You can just add exceptions to this mode, like it could be people, it could be apps, it could also be repeated callers, like a second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. This is how this feature works, and you can also mute media when Do Not Disturb is enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.